We're under.
What did it say?
Go look under your bed. Under my bed? I don't see anything. Is there another note? Where? Did Michael know about this? Huh?
What did it say?
In the freezer.
Slow down, you're gonna get hurt. Hey, Matthew, you're breathing heavy, dude.
I put it.
You know what?
Is it under folders?
There's what under folders?
Next clue dot dot.
I don't have any idea what's going on here, dude. I'm just following you around.
You get back in the living room, everything's unwrapped.
Because Mitchell's in
Michael,
there.
I put it on the table.
But he's got
Down
Buzz
the
and
hallway.
Woody.
Hurry up, Windows.
Michael, come look.
The computer wasn't even on?
No.
Oh, brother. And where's the weight?
That was probably the way it was planned, don't you think?
And
What?
Put the cologne.
That smells pretty cool.
You take it. You do, whatever.
Me too. I got a 3DCK. You did?
From Grandma?
Yeah.
Empty? You did that on purpose.
I would imagine so. He's gonna crash that car. Go tell him to turn it off right now. Micah!
Micah, Daddy doesn't want you playing with your car until he teaches you a driving lesson. Thank you.
Turn the switch to off on the car. Slow down.
My
Don't run over Mitchell.
You better not touch it. It's my present.
You like those?
No cover.
What did it say?
The third message on the answering machine. No wonder you wrote the 330.
Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Yes.
Well, I needed some help with my closet door. Maybe you can help me with it.
Ah!
Careful. Don't be so rough.
Ah! Oh my God!
Is there speakers?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Like it?
Yes!
That's the one you picked out at.
Uh-huh.
Oh, by the way. I'm sorry I had to lie to you, but sometimes you just have to.
Wait! It's not plugged in.
No.
It's a liar. Well, you thought of a good. Oh.
You found it.
This thing is awesome. You turn the volume up and this thing will
Yeah,
move by itself. And it sounds so cool too.
Oh, you were there?
It's cool because you can squish it.
Is this the one that's all connected? In one
Yeah, it's
piece?
all connected.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's called.
Picture me.
This isn't the one at Sears, is it? The one that we saw was in the case? Is that that one?
Just like it. Merry Christmas. Love you, man.
Oh, you too.
All right, well, let's go. You found it, man. That's pretty good.
Thanks for the pump.
You were looking here in there.
Where is it?
I was like, Matt.
We'll have to listen to it after a while, right?
Oh, yeah.